How to link your Instagram and Facebook account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, go to your profile, then click on three lines at the top right. Then scroll down and then you'll find Creator Tools and Controls. Click on it. In here, click on Switch Account Type and then make sure your account is not personal. Your account is business or creator. After you have done that, go back to your profile. Click on Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, scroll down to Page. You'll find Page at the left side. Click on Connect or Create. Click on Continue. Then click on Log into Facebook at the bottom. After you have done that, it will show you two of your or three of your pages. Select the page you want to connect and press on Next. After that, your page will be connected to your Instagram account. This is how to link your Instagram and Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.